Iwoca review: my honest user experience with this online loan platform. Getting business funding can be stressful, endless paperwork, slow approvals, and unclear terms. That's why Iwoca stood out to me. It promises fast, flexible business loans entirely online. After using it for my small business, here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They think all online lenders are risky or overpriced. But the surprising truth is, Iwoca is one of the most transparent and reliable fintech lenders out there. The application process was straightforward. I filled out basic business details, uploaded my financial data, and got a decision in under 24 hours. No complicated paperwork or long waiting times. Iwoca's loans range from 10 to 500 depending on your business performance and credit history. What impressed me was the flexibility. You can repay early anytime without penalty, and interest is only charged for the days you use the funds. For example, I borrowed 10 for inventory and paid it back after 3 months. The total cost was significantly less than a traditional bank loan. Their customer service was also excellent, real humans, not chatbots, available to explain every step. The only real downside is that interest rates vary based on your risk level. If your business is new or has inconsistent cash flow, rates might be higher. Overall, Iwoca delivers what it promises: fast, fair, and flexible funding for small businesses. If you need quick access to capital without the stress of traditional lending, Iwoca is absolutely worth considering.